guys, how are you? I'm Alex and today as usual I'm here with you, and this time we are in the Carpathian National Natural Park. And now we have the option of going to Hoverla, which is the highest peak in Ukraine and has a height of 2061 meters, or to Lake Nesamovyte, which literally means crazy and is known for its mystery, for its curiosity. There are many legends about this lake. And after all, how do you think? Which way we will go? This way or this way? We will go to the mystery. So let's go! And on the way you can always get something to recharge your energy. For example, some blueberries. Show me what you have there. Blueberries. It seems like today we are not going to reach the lake, but what? We are going to eat a lot of blueberries, right?
Yes!
This is how forget-me-nots look like. Just look at these beautiful forget-me-nots. Now we finally reached this crazy lake, and I can really confirm that it is crazy because all the way the weather was pretty good. Ouch! The sun was shining, it was very hot, and here the wind is really crazy. There are many legends about this lake. One of those says that you cannot throw rocks into the lake. You cannot play with the water, much less to swim in this water. Because here in this lake, there are the souls of sinners. And if they get upset, they get angry, the storm starts, the black clouds, rain, hail, simply madness. But there is also something good in this lake. For example, single people who are not yet married can come here, and as the legend says, you have to wash your face with the lake water, and until the end of the year you will find your partner. So there are pros and cons. And now we also want to climb a little higher to see what the lake looks like from above. Friends, it's so cool! It's amazing to be here on this mountain, in the middle of the mountains that surround you from all sides. Here is the Ivano-Frankivsk region, So the lake is located in the Ivano-Frankivsk region, and here is the Zakarpattia region. And we are here in the center between the Ivano-Frankivsk and Zakarpattia regions. But actually, we are simply in the mountains. And as Vysotsky said before, better than mountains can only be mountains I have not yet been to. And so it is. Well, friends, after having reached the lake, washing our faces, walking, going up a bit and going down, now you can see there is the lake and here the spring with mountain water, clean and healthy. So we can fill our bottles with this water. Oh, it's cold because it's from the mountains. And it is obviously very good to drink. Excellent. But be careful because it is really very, very cold. But awesome, great. Where are you taking it to? To the swamp, because it is impossible to pass there. Are you going to pave the way? Yes, very good. Well, folks, another trip came to an end. And on the way back from Lake Nesamovyte, we stopped in Mikulichin village to buy a live red mountain beer because it was recommended to us and we decided to try it. So let's see how it is. In fact, since it is a live beer, it needs to be drunk during the first 5 days from the moment we buy it. Or if we open it, then during 2 days. It really looks red. Well, I'm going to try it. First alone for the camera and then all together. Cheers! It's good. I don't know much about beers and it is the first time that I'm trying red beer, but I can say that it is good. I like it. And I also hope you like my video. If so, feel free to let me know about it, share the video, subscribe to the channel and see you in the next videos. Bye bye!